Some coffee for my mommy. Okay, so yeah, I just already put some coffee grounds in here, 2 spoonfuls, and then I have out this creamer. Mom likes this creamer, rich and creamy, and then I have the sugar. So I put in the water for 3 minutes, and it's only 1 minute and 15 seconds left until the water will be ready. And then, when I'm done, I pour the water in here, like I poured you just now. Put it in the coffee grinds. Then I'm going to take this lid and push it down, but not all the way down. I'll set it right on top and leave it there for a few minutes. And then in the mug, I will add the sugar and the creamer. Okay, let's check on our water. It is 40 more seconds, guys, 40 more seconds. And here is Alicia eating some delicious cereal. Last serving cereal, so I don't know what I'm going to eat for breakfast. So I'm in my RV. Yep, in my RV, making some coffee. I have a lovely view from the window. Here's how we do our laundry. This is like our dryer. It'll be there for like the rest of the day. Here's my room. So you can actually move the bunk bed up, and the bottom bunk turns into a couch and to a bed. Oh, do you hear that beep? The water's ready, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna say, so then watch how the pro does it. I make coffee like all the time. It's gonna be really hot, so I have to get this cloth so I can pick it up without burning my hand. Like, who likes to burn their hand on a lovely day, right? Okay. So here I have the water. I was about to say here I have the coffee, but I have the water here. About 2/3 full. 2/3 of water. So I'm gonna sit down my water right there. I'm gonna go over and get the coffee grind. Here I have my coffee grind. And get ready, guys. It's gonna be really hot, so I'm gonna pour it over the sink. I like pouring it over the sink just in case there's water. It's water very hot. That, let's see. It's true. I'm pouring that water. The coffee. This is how you make coffee. I should rather have this coffee. It's much better. I got it kind of different. Secretly, I've taken a couple sips of her coffee. Shh, don't tell her. Okay, so I'm gonna get my creamer. Here's my creamer. I'm not gonna put it in here because right now we are gonna set this on top. Now watch how I don't push it down. Just set it up. And then after a few minutes, then we can push it down. Maybe about 5 minutes. I love pushing it down. It's like my favorite part of making the coffee. Okay. You don't want to add too much creamer, just at least as it fills up the bottom. Alright, that should be enough creamer. And now it's time to add the sugar. Oh, sugar. Okay, so let's add the sugar. So, we gotta add a lot of sugar. We're almost out of sugar, but then we're really about more. I'm gonna add like a little bit more, and that should be good. I think I should add some more creamer. I'm sure adding a little more creamer, see what that does. Alrighty. The coffee, the creamer and the sugar is done. We still need to wait on the coffee just for a little bit longer. So you're like wondering, where does everything go? Of course the creamer goes in the fridge, but what cabinet do you put in the sugar? And then it's hard to close this, but I found right here is the coffee cabinet. I call it the coffee. So we have also flour, because there's no room for it. Other than that, we have a coffee tickle, and more sugar. Yeah. And then that's where also the mug goes. It's like the only last thing from the house. And then I can show you where the fridge is. have mayonnaise, mustard, and butter, and we have some more garlic. I love garlic in my food. Here we have leftover food, yogurt, and almost out of milk. Ooh, beef sausages. Sounds good. We have mushrooms, and we have some eggs, orange juice, grapes, and other fruits and veggies that we have. We have other things we can store, condiments, cheese, baby food, bottles, jelly, some white turkey meat, and fig jelly. We have spinach and more condiments and lime juice. So yeah, that's our fridge. Pretty cool. Let me show you this cabinet. It's got some yummy stuff like our bread and peanut butter and everything you need to make some yummy food. We have cups, bowls, plates, more cups, snackies, good stuff. And I think it's time to push down the coffee, my favorite part, guys. So, let's start pushing down the coffee. Okay, here I have the coffee maker. Alright guys, I'm gonna push it down. Oh my god, look at that. Okay, and after you push it down, there's a triangle on here. See that triangle right there? Okay, so you're gonna move the triangle to the open space. You're gonna hold this down. It just depends on how you pour it. I pour it hard. I just hold this down and pour it in. Like a coffee shop. Coffee shops are probably a little more sweeter. But yeah, that's how you make a delicious coffee in an RV. We're gonna stir it up. Stir, stir, stir.